Guys, I'm back, new house, completely finished, keys are back. What am I going to do with it? Make 60 grand on a flip? Social housing, supported living, you know what? Before and after time. So you've seen the befores and afters, and when I came into this premises, you saw the kitchen was here. And we had like the Austin Powers wood all the way around from the 1950s, 1960s. And I had a vision instantly that the kitchen needed to be moved to the back of the house. We needed to make it more open plan. Obviously it needed a full back to brick refurb, and this is the end result. I am super happy with this. I think it looks absolutely incredible. It's an unbelievable living space. And this touch of the two doors going into the kitchen, I really think finishes the whole of the living room off. We're in the kitchen now, which is one of the main rooms of the house. Everybody loves the kitchen. When we did the full back to brick refurb and we designed out how we wanted it and where we wanted things to go, did we have an end user in mind? Well, no. First thought for me is to be able to pull out all of my money that I've put into a project. And to get all of my money out, it has to be done to a certain level. Then, halfway through this transformation, I got given a massive opportunity in supported associations, supported housing, supported living. I decided that maybe the products that I am producing now, these developments, should be used for supported living. That's what I thought. And the feedback that I have got from peers in my area, you're stupid. Why are you doing houses to that level to give to supported association, supported living? Well, why not? Why can't somebody have a house like this? Why can't somebody who unfortunately right now is in a system that is broken, why can't they have somewhere that they actually are proud to come home every single day and live? Now, everybody's saying to me that this house is going to get ruined with supported living in here. Well, this is a move-on property. So supported living in a HMO or a flat or a self-contained unit is where certain support workers go around every week and they help with people's needs. It's a very, very low level of care. It's basically an hour or two a week per person. This is a move-on property. So once they have been in the support where they get the care and they need what they need, once they've been assessed to say they don't need that care or that support anymore, this is the property that they go to next. Now, this is the problem with Birmingham Council. We don't have the move-on properties. We don't have them. They either stay there or they move out on their own and then they end back up into the care system. It's horrendous. It's not good. And me and Isabella are trying to make a difference. We are trying to make a change. We are trying to make people proud of where they live and give everybody the same opportunity in life in order to move on and achieve what they want to achieve. Peace, happiness, money, a sustainable life basically. And you know what, guys? Everything you see going forwards, I'm going to document how we are changing the system. So this is one of the bedrooms. of the 3 that we have in this property, and again you can see, look at the standard that it's done to. This will be kitted out with furniture next week before the 3 tenants move in here. We have a shared bathroom, a shared kitchen, and obviously we have the living room, lounge, the communal room for them. Now, there's different legislations with the move-on houses. It's not the same as a HMO, it's not the same as certain things that you have to have in order to provide the support work. This is a beautiful property, and this is somewhere that people can actually be proud of where they live. And my job in the move-on property is to make sure that I send someone around every single week to make sure that the property is kept to a very decent standard. Now, I'm not here to control the tenants and control how the tenants basically use the property, but I am here to make sure that they respect the property, and people will respect the property because they'll see the effort that's gone into it. I mean, this was a £55,000 refurb back to brick from start to finish. The gardens have cost me £25,000, so the whole property has cost me £80,000 to refurb to get it to this standard, and it's pretty impressive. And I'm hoping that Birmingham Council take note of what I am doing. Now, I am a very, very, very small fish in a huge pond, but I am actually trying to become the shark of the pond, and I'm actually going to make Birmingham City Council stand up, take notice, and bring every other person's level of supported living and social housing to that next level. Because if you watch my documentary, Living in Birmingham, which Duna has been filming behind the scenes and we're releasing it stage by stage, you're going to see some of the most horrendous HMOs, social housing in the city that you could possibly imagine. And then when you look at what they're living in and then you look at what we're offering, you'll see that we are genuinely trying to make a difference. So there you have it, guys. Supported living, changing the way that people actually look at the system, trying to make a difference in Birmingham, trying to get people to pay attention to the level of properties that are out there. Can only try.